Hey guys, welcome back to Dude, We Can Fix It. Today we're going to show you how to quickly and easily crystal clean your windshield to get it looking like new and restore visibility. We are going to degrease the windows with warm, soapy water. At this point, you can either wait until the windshield dries or dry it off with a clean cloth. And this would actually be a great time to start cleaning the inside of the windshield while the outside dries. Now that the windows are cleaned and degreased, we can get them crystal clean by using our favorite glass cleaner, like Windex or Rain-X. Be careful if you have tint on your windows, make sure your cleaner is tint safe. So when you're using your glass cleaner, make sure to follow the application directions to a T. On this particular product, it says to spray the product directly onto the glass, one section at a time. Wipe with a clean towel to remove dirt and grime. Do a final wipe with the dry side of the towel to leave a streak-free, water-beating coating. For best results, allow an hour before exposing to rain or water. So now that we have the outside of our windshield crystal clean, let's go ahead and get the inside crystal clean as well. We're going to wipe down the entire inside of the windshield with warm, soapy water. So why is it important to degrease the inside of your windows? Because they get greasy, and if you just spray cleaner on them and wipe it around, you will smear that grease all over the place. Now that we have the inside of the windshield degreased, let's go ahead and dry it off with a paper towel. Now that the inside of the windshield is dry, we're going to go ahead and apply our glass cleaner to it. And now when you're cleaning on the inside, you don't want to just spray this cleaner directly on your windshield, because what will happen is it'll bounce off and you'll have little specks all over your dash and your other interior components. And if you don't wipe them up immediately, they can stain whatever surface they land on. So what we do instead is we spray it directly to the cloth that we are going to be using to clean it. In this case, it is a microfiber cloth attached to a reach and clean tool. And all of the products that we'll be using in this video will be linked in the description below. So if you're interested, check it out. Now with this tool, we will apply our glass cleaner. Now once we have applied the glass cleaner, we will take off this damp microfiber cloth and we will install a nice dry microfiber cloth to buff it out. This tool right here makes it very easy to get into all the corners and crevices of your windshield without having to do anything crazy. So that's all it takes to clean the inside and the outside of your windshield to get it looking like new and restore visibility. So while you're at it, you might as well go ahead and clean the rest of the windows on your car, as well as your side view and rear view mirrors. Now that your windows are crystal clean, you may want to consider coating them with a hydrophobic film to keep them clean and repel water. My glass cleaner has a hydrophobic film built in. If yours doesn't, you can use a product like Rain-X to keep your windshield clean longer. In our next video, we will compare different products to see which is the best for keeping your windshield clean and clear. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and turn on your bell notifications for future videos. And as always, dude, we can fix it.